Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, I'm going to be teaching you how to transition from Running Man into T-step. So I'm first going to start off by doing a recap of the Running Man and the T-step just to go over how to do them. If you are already comfortable and know how to do the Running Man and the T-step, then you can just skip ahead to the part where I show you how to put them together. So with that said, let's get started. Okay, so just to recap the Running Man move, we've got our two positions. We've got the open position, which is our first, and we've got the intermediate, which is bringing the back leg up to the middle, okay, before bringing it back down to the front. So we're going to start off by transitioning between these two movements with a hop. So we're going to hop and bring our back leg up into the middle, okay, and do a small jump and bring it back down. And again, jump and down. So while we're doing this, we want to keep our legs close together, okay? Because if they're far apart, you'll feel a little bit imbalanced. So keeping your legs close, okay, keeping everything tight. Also remembering to keep our knees bent to keep us grounded. So we're going to do a jump up into the middle, down, up, and down. Okay, good. What we're going to do next is we're going to replace the hop with a drag. So let's practice that drag first. What we're going to do is we're going to slightly raise our heels and do a small micro bounce as we drag ourselves back. And again, okay. As you can see, I'm pushing into the back of my knees. Okay, pushing back into the knees, back into the knees, back into the knees to make this drag happen. Bend my knees first and push, push. Okay, so coming back into our first position, we're going to repeat that same little drag. Okay, we're going to replace the hop that we did previously with the little drag, bringing our legs into the middle to meet, drag and down, dragging up, dragging down, dragging up, drag and bring it down, up and down. Okay, and that's the Running Man. So let's have a look at our T-step. So the T-step is made up of two components. You've got the stepping foot or the stomping foot, okay? And you've got the foot that is pivoting and walking across. So let's first practice the stomping. All we're doing here is bringing our knee straight up, down, up, and down. And we're tapping our foot, okay, to the floor or our heel, okay? Ball of the foot, heel, or flat foot. It's entirely up to you and whatever you're most comfortable with, okay? This is just that stomping feeling when you hear the music playing, you want to hit the beat. So, okay? And that's where the stomping comes from. The next bit is this pivoting across. So our heel, toe move, which helps us travel, okay, across the room from side to side. So let's practice that just on its own. And again, we're going to bring one leg up, keeping our knees bent to keep us nice and grounded, legs close together to hold our balance. And we're going to do a pivot over heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Yeah. And let's practice that on the other side. So heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Okay, one more time from the back. So one leg up, okay, and we're going to go heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, and again, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Okay, so let's put both of those moves together. Right, so we're going to start off by bringing our foot up. So just for reference, this is my right leg. I'm going to point my toes facing in, and when my foot comes down to do the stomp, okay, see how my heel comes out with it, up, heel comes out, up, heel comes out. And every time I step, I'm making that T shape, okay, with my feet. So look down, see the T, up, look down, see the T, okay? And that's a T step. One more time from the back, bringing my right leg up, toes going in, down, down, up, down, up, down. And again, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so Here's the bit where we put those two moves together to create a combination. And we can loop that combination traveling from left to right. So we can do the running man on one side, travel over to the other side, do the running man, and travel back with our T-step. So let's begin with the running man. We're going to start with 4 running man, okay? With the right leg, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now the back leg is going to come up and we're going to pivot inward with our toe, all right? To then take us across 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch feet and we're going to go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot inward and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Switch over and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time, following from the back. Starting with our right leg, we're gonna go and 1, 2, 3, 4. Come up and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what it looks like to music at full speed. Pick it up slow, roll it all around, poke it out like a back row. Pop, pop, pop that thing. I'ma show you how to make it nice thing. On below, pick it up slow, roll it all around, poke it out like a back row. Pop, pop, pop that thing. I'ma show you how to make it nice thing. And that is the T-step and running man combination. I really hope you guys enjoyed the session with me. Let me know what you thought in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, then don't forget to give my channel a subscribe so you don't miss out on more sessions just like this one. Also, if you are a complete beginner and you are looking to learn some new moves and continue along your shuffle journey, then check out the link in the description above. I have an intro to shuffling for complete beginners, no experience needed. So if that is something that interests you, click on the link and go check it out. Thank you so much again for coming to my shuffle dance session. I will see you guys later. Bye.